We've all been there, staring at the mirror, hoping that magic will erase the dark spots caused by sun exposure, aging, or a few too many late-night Netflix binges. But what if I told you the secret to glowing, spotless skin is not locked in some expensive cream, but hidden right in your kitchen? Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into some surprising and natural remedies that will have your skin thanking you. Number 11. Green tea extract. Your skin's new best friend. Green tea isn't just for sipping during your afternoon break. It can also work wonders on your skin. While most of us know it helps with weight loss, hello, metabolism boost, it's also a star player when it comes to fading dark spots. Research has shown that green tea extract can act as a depigmenting agent, which means it helps reduce the appearance of those stubborn dark spots. You don't need to go out and buy a fancy extract either. If you're in a pinch, simply grab a green tea bag, steep it in hot water, let it cool, and apply it directly to the affected area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And with consistent use, you'll see improvements. It's like a spa day in a teacup. And hey, let us know in the comments how you drink your green tea. Do you love it iced, hot, or with a splash of honey? Share your best recipes with the bestie community. Number 10. Black tea water, not just for drinking. Not to be outdone by its green cousin, black tea also deserves a spot in your skincare routine. You might be thinking, really? Tea for my skin? Yes, really? Black tea water has been shown to lighten dark spots when applied consistently. It's like that friend who's always around, giving you support. But you never realize just how amazing they are until you really give them a chance. To make this miracle worker, steep some black tea leaves in hot water for about 2 hours, then strain it. Use a cotton ball to apply the cooled tea to your dark spots, twice a day for about a month. Simple, effective, and kind of a fun way to experiment with your favorite tea. Number 9. Orchid extracts. The beauty of nature in a bottle. When you think of orchids, you probably picture an elegant flower sitting in a beautiful vase, right? But did you know that orchid extracts can help reduce dark spots too? Studies have found that orchid extracts can be as effective as vitamin C in lightening skin and reducing hyperpigmentation. Who knew your favorite flower could double as a skincare ingredient? You can find orchid-infused products at many drugstores or opt for a face mask or cream containing this magical extract. A few weeks of regular use and your skin will thank you. Number 8. Potatoes. The unexpected skincare hero. Here's a fun one, potatoes. Yes, you read that right. Potatoes contain enzymes that can help lighten dark spots. Just grab a potato, slice it up, and place a slice directly on the affected area. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. For an added boost, combine grated potato with honey to make a face mask. Trust me, your skin will be glowing, and you might even feel a bit like a kitchen wizard. Number 7. Milk. Not just for your morning coffee. Milk might be your go-to beverage for breakfast. But did you know it also works wonders for your skin? The lactic acid in milk helps gently exfoliate your skin, which can fade dark spots over time. Simply dip a cotton ball into milk and gently rub it on the affected area twice a day. For even faster results, mix it with a little honey and let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing. Milk is not just for your morning cereal. It's time to make it a skincare staple too. Number 6. Papaya. Sweet and skin-saving. Papaya is a delicious fruit, but it's also a fantastic ally in the battle against dark spots. It contains an enzyme called papain that helps balance skin tone and exfoliate the skin. You can mash the papaya pulp and apply it to the dark spots, leaving it on for about 20 minutes. Number 5. Red lentils, a skincare powerhouse. Red lentils are a secret weapon for many skincare enthusiasts, and they're packed with antioxidants that help fight off free radicals, which can contribute to dark spots and other skin issues. To make a red lentil mask, simply soak the lentils overnight. Blend them into a smooth paste and apply it to your dark spots. Leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing off with cold water. Not only do they taste great in a curry. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar, the skin game changer. Apple cider vinegar is a superstar in the world of natural skincare. Thanks to its acetic acid, apple cider vinegar has been shown to help exfoliate the skin and reduce dark spots. You don't need to go overboard with this one though. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Apply the mixture to the dark spots using a cotton ball, and leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Repeat twice a day for best results. Number 3. Aloe vera, the soothing miracle. Aloe vera is like the Swiss Army knife of skincare. It's soothing, hydrating, and, you guessed it, great for lightening dark spots. The secret lies in a compound called aloin, which has been shown to help treat hyperpigmentation. For best results, apply pure aloe vera gel to your skin before bed and wash it off in the morning. Consistency is key here, but with time, you'll notice the dark spots start to fade. If you're already a fan of aloe vera for sunburns, it's time to use it for skin brightening too. Number 2. Turmeric powder, the golden touch. Turmeric is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, but did you know it can also help fade dark spots? When combined with lemon juice and milk, turmeric forms a paste that helps reduce pigmentation. Apply the paste to your skin and leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing with water. The results can be pretty quick. Some people see changes in as little as 2 weeks. Just a heads up, turmeric can stain, so be careful with your clothes, but it's worth the little extra effort for that glowing skin. Number 1. Oatmeal, more than just breakfast. We all know oatmeal as a comforting breakfast staple, but it turns out it's also a great natural exfoliant. To make a scrub, mix half a cup of oats with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and grind the mixture into a paste. Apply this paste to your skin, leave it on for about 15 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. This scrub not only helps exfoliate dead skin cells, but also brightens the skin naturally. So there you have it, surprisingly simple yet effective home remedies for dark spots. What do you think? Are you ready to give these remedies a shot? Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Happy glowing!